Okay, so student, very good afternoon to one and all present here. Now, today we will discuss about the art of patent writing. This session will be based on the how to write the concept about the particular patent writing and how can we file the idea to patent. So basically, this is the session under the initiative of Institutional Innovation Council, Kerala University, Kota. So right now we will discuss about some useful points through this particular session. First we will discuss about the introduction. The next one is benefits of the patent. In this particular section we will discuss about what are the basic advantages of the patent filing and how can we write a particular patent. So then what will be the structure of the patent. Now the next one is patent search and prior art. Basically, if you are willing to file a particular patent, so first we need to understand the concept behind the patent, and after that we need to search out different kind of patent which are already published by the IP India website. Now we will discuss about the patent filing process. Next one is what are the essential documents which are required to file a patent. Next one is what will be the charges paid by the candidate who are willing to file a particular patent or publish a patent with the help of the IP India. Now the next one is publication of the patent. So we will discuss about the process of the publication, and after we will discuss about the duration of the publication of the particular patent. The last one is granting of the patent. Once your patent is published, then what kind of thing that we are required for moving from the existing published patent to granting of the patent. Now the next section will be based on the question answer. So we will try to understand the question from the audience and we will try to resolve all the queries at the end of the session. So first we start from the introduction. As we know that the patent writing involves drafting a legal document known as patent. Definitely if you have any particular idea and we want to publish this particular idea as a legal document, so definitely the patent will be drafted. So now the next one is the process include different kind of invention, different kind of materials regarding your works, different kind of objective, different kinds of conclusion, what we have and what we have done through the particular patent. So first we need to discuss about the patent. So basically this particular slide does represent the basic fundamental concept behind the patent. Why we need to adopt the patent and why we need to draft a particular patent. So basically if you have any specific idea which is based on the innovative invention, then definitely you can easy to file a patent. Moving on next, basically there are variety of the patents available as per the IP India. So we can easy to understand the concept behind the utility patent, design patent and plant patent. Basically if you have any particular idea related to your software, related to your mathematical equation, related to algorithm and different kind of patent which are covered under the utility patent. Now moving on the design patent. These protect new, original and ornamental design for an article of the manufacturer. Definitely if you have any idea about the modification or customization of the particular glass, mobile or any kind of thing that you are using in day-to-day life. So definitely all such kind of patent will be treated as a form of the design patent. Now moving on next, plant patent. These are granted to anyone who invents or discovered any sexually reproduce any distinct and new variety of plant. Definitely we can easy to find a plant patent which is purely based on the plant. So basically this particular field is related to the botany and plantation. Now moving on next, what are the major benefits of the patent? So basically if you have any idea and want to pursue on this particular idea to an intellectual property as a legal aspect, so definitely these are the some specific benefits about the patent. First one is protect unique idea and innovation. If you want to protect a particular an idea from the others and if you want to preserve your idea, then definitely you need to file a patent. Next one is we can easy to increase the competitive edge, because in the today era of the IT there are different kind of tools and technologies are available for minimizing the complexity of day-to-day life, and we can easy to utilize the variety of the resources including medical, business, financial, banking and agriculture sector. So definitely a patent does play a vital role to increase your competitive edge. Moving on next, attract investment and funding. Definitely once your patent has been published, then you can raise the funding from the agency. There are variety of the funding agency available, including DST, including NABARD, including central government agency, including a variety of the funding agency available where we can easily to raise the funding. Generate revenue through licensing. Once your patent is published and granted, then definitely you can take the advantage of the advantage for increasing the revenue. You can easy to commercialize your particular patent with the help of some specific type of the organization which are currently working on your particular idea or nature of your patent. So definitely this may be helpful to generate the revenue. Next one is foster innovation and R&D initiative. If you are willing to do such kind of things related to research and development, then definitely we can easy to file a particular patent, and a particular patent will be beneficial to increase or nourish your skills regarding the innovation and R&D initiative. Next one is legal protection. As I told earlier that the patent is fully published by the central government agency that is known as IP India. So definitely we can easy to protect our patent, our idea as under the legal aspect. Next one is technology transfer. Definitely in the current scenario, we can easy to find out the variety of the technology, variety of the tools which are beneficial to transfer the technology from one business to another business, to transfer the technology from one region to another region. The next one is global reach. Definitely a patent may be helpful to reach out the such kind of people which are away from you. So definitely you can reach the target audience. Whether the geographical distance does not matter. So definitely a patent can be helpful to reach the target audience around the world. Now the next one is, this is very important aspect about this particular session, because definitely in the previous slide we have already discussed about the fundamental aspect of the patent and the benefits of the patent. But right now we will discuss about the structure. When we are planning to write a particular patent or draft a patent, then what will be the structure? What kind of things that we need to manage all such kind of things for building a particular draft of the patent. So first we will start from the name of the applicant. A name of the applicant should be a natural person. Definitely the name of the applicant should be a natural person or maybe a educational institution. So we can easy to file a particular patent, we can easy to submit our patent as a form of the applicant. So this particular thing is very necessary and essential part for each and every type of the patent. If you want to submit your patent to the IP India website, then definitely we should mention the name of the applicant detail. Now the next one is inventor. We can also add number of the person as a form of the inventor. Inventor is the person who have rights, who have ownership to customize the patent as per the requirement. So definitely a person who have invented such kind of idea and want to publish this particular idea as a form of the patent, so the particular person will be treated as a form of the inventor. Now moving on next, the next one is title. Title should be very important aspect about the patent drafting. So definitely the title should be based on your own research area, and we can easy to attach with the particular idea that will be part of the patent. So definitely the title should be based on your own research work. The title should be based on the specific area, specific work. So definitely a title can easy to reach the target audience to understand what kind of thing that you are willing to do. So definitely the title should be based on your own research work. Now the next one is abstract. Basically abstract is nothing but it is a mixture combination of a particular lines or the statement which are related to the generalized statement of the technology, which are related to the problem statement, and definitely last 3 to 4 lines related to your proposed solution. So definitely the abstract should be defined or written in a particular or specific type of statement which are related to your actual work that will be display or that will be published as a form of the patent. Now the next one is background. Background is very important, because before writing or publish a particular patent, we should try to understand what kind of things that already done by the particular number of the other researcher or number of other patent already published by the other particular person. So definitely we can understand the research gap as a form of the background, and we should also adopt such kind of things as a form of the background that will be beneficial to understand the meaning of your patent, to meaning of your research work, that will be beneficial to publish a particular patent from idea to a legal document. Now moving on next, detailed description. In the detailed description part, we should always mention the detail about the process flow, detail about the particular work that we are willing to do as a form of the patent. So definitely when we will try to write the particular statement related to detailed description, this is the process flow, this is the particular work methodology, what we have done and what kind of things we are willing to do. Now the next one is objective. It is again very essential part, so we should always write 3 to 4 objective that may be reflect with your work, that may be beneficial for understanding your what kind of work that we are doing and what kind of things that we are willing to do under the particular patent. So each and every object should be defined under the particular type of the statement that will be related to your work. Now the next one is drawing flow diagram. We should always draw a particular diagram which is a pictorial presentation of your research work. Definitely each and every object of the particular flow diagram will be treated as a form of the particular part. So how the particular model does work and how can we understand what kind of process are going on. So definitely this particular thing is related to the your drawing as well as the flow diagram. Now the next one is claim. Once your patent is drafted, once your work is done by you, then definitely we should focus on the claim. A claim is nothing but it is very essential part to represent the outcome of your particular patent. So what kind of outcomes that you are expecting from your idea, what kind of things that you are willing to provide after the particular patent is published or granted. So this particular things is very essential while we are going to publish a particular patent or granting a patent. Now the next one, conclusion. So conclusion is nothing but it is a mixture combination of 2 or 3 lines which represent the major finding of your particular patent. So how your patent is related to the current scenario, how your patent is novel, how your patent will be reflect your research work, and how your patent will be beneficial for the target audience. Moving on next, these are some specific detail about the patent search. So if you are willing to search or find any kind of published patent or grant patent, so we can easy to visit the particular site, that is https ipresearch.ipindia.gov.in/public search. This is the website where we can easy to find out the published patent. We can easy to take an idea what kind of things which are essential part for drafting a patent. So each and everything that you have required, you can easy to find out to visit this kind of website. So basically this website is an official website of the IP India where we can easy to learn, understand and search the methodology, search the invention which have already published by the someone else, and we can easy to find out the area of interest with the help of this particular website. Now moving on next, what is the patent filing process? So this slide is all about the filing process. So if you are willing to file a particular patent after drafting a patent, so once we have a drafted patent, then definitely we are going to file or submit the entire document as a form of the legal document of the patent. So first we need to visit the comprehensive e-filing portal. Basically, the e-filing portal is an online platform where we can easily to submit our idea as a form of the patent draft. So first we need to take a digital signature for the registration purpose. Once the registration is completed, then we can easily to fill the registration form. If a user is already registered, then can log in using his user ID and password, and after that we can easily to submit our documents as per the given instruction or guideline. So this slide is related to the required document for patent filing. What kind of documents which are required for filing a patent? First we need to submit or prepare a application form, that is form 1, where each and every information are there related to your patent, related to your applicant, related to your complete specification. Now the next one is form 2, which is related to the complete specification, provisional specification. So once your patent draft is partially completed, then definitely you can go with provisional specification. Once you have done each and everything related to your patent, then definitely you can go with complete specification. Now the next one is statement and undertaking. This is the form where we can easy to mention the detail about the ownership. What number of persons, what kind of peoples are there. So we should always mention each and everything about the ownership or statement and undertaking under the form 3. Now the next one is inventor declaration. This is the again declaration form. Once your patent has been submitted, then we need to submit the form 5 and mention the detail about the invention. So it comes under the form 5. Next one is proof of right. We can easily to attach our signature or attach the signature of each and everyone, whether he is applicant or he is part of the an inventor. Definitely we should always attach the signature for the confirming the applicant rights as well as the inventor rights. Now the next one is power of authority. Then we can go with form number 26. Next one is source of biological material. Then definitely we can continue with the specific type of the form where we can easy to mention the source or origin of any biological material mentioned in the specification under the guideline of the IP India. Now the other documents is priority document. When we are going to file a particular patent under the particular country or outside of the country, then definitely we can need this particular type of document. Now we can also take a permission from the National Biodiversity Authority if the applicant involve biological matter sourced from India, obtaining from the specific authority or specific type of the organization, so which is mandatory part before filing or submission of the particular patent. The next slide will be based on the charges which will be paid by the user or applicant or maybe inventor. So first we need to focus on the patent application part, that will be 1600. The patent fast publication, if you want to publish a patent within a 1 month after the submission of the patent, then definitely the charges will be applied rupees 2500. Now the next one is for filing a patent or registration of the particular user on the IP India website, then definitely we should take a e-signature. The fees will be rupees 1200. Once the patent is now published, once the patent has been published, then definitely we are willing to go for the patent examination. So now the fees will be rupees 4000. So this fees may be vary as per the convenience or maybe the processing charges by the IP India website. So definitely these are the number of charges which are available while we are planning to file a particular patent. Now moving on next, publication grant of the patent. So if we have published the particular patent, then definitely it will take 18 months. But if you have applied for the fast publication, it will take 25 to 30 days for the publication part. Once the patent is published, then definitely we can go for the patent grant and it will take 1 to 2 years. After the hearing, after the all kind of process including examination, hearing, question, answer, anything related to your idea. So if everything is completed, definitely your patent will be granted by the IP India, and you can easy to take a advantage of your patent as a part of the commercialization. So definitely this is all about the patent filing process and patent drafting. I think this particular session will be beneficial for those students, those candidates, those professionals who are willing to design a patent, who are willing to file a patent, and they have any unique idea and wants to convert their idea to a legal documents. And definitely this session is all about for those students, those professionals who want to pursue their career in the field of the patent filing. And definitely this particular session is very important aspect where we want to publish any kind of idea under the legal regulation or rules by the IP India. So definitely this session is all about the patent drafting. So thank you very much for listening to me. If any query, then you can easy to ask, if any. Otherwise, thank you for the session.